Hello, Micah. Thank you for your interest in our Highlander Platinum model in blueprint with the Harvest Beige interior. I just ran through the wash so you can see how stunning this color looks in the sunlight. We actually have some sunshine today here in Seattle. It's a pretty rare color combination too. But the Platinum has everything you can ask for. Top of the line, panoramic sunroof, amazing JBL sound system, all the great safety features, automatic wipers, heated steering wheel, etc., etc. Walk around this and give you a peek on the inside. So the Harvest Beige interior really contrasts nicely with the exterior color of blueprint. And show you the size of that screen here. Wireless charging also, heated and ventilated seats. I know you're out of state. We do out of state purchases, or excuse me, sell to out of state buyers all the time. So we are experienced with it. Give me a call when you're ready to move forward. 253-394-0046. And again, it's Ken Thompson, Doxon Toyota. Thank you. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.